Some recipes don't begin with measurement, they begin with patience. Rice kheer is one such comfort where just 2 handful of rice and 2 handful of sugar meet with 1 liter of milk and turn into something far more than dessert. The milk is boiled slowly till it thickens, till that beautiful cream floats gently on the top, promising richness in every spoon. Instead of standing by the stove endlessly, this kheer finds its way into a pressure cooker, where tradition meets practicality. A little ghee melts at the base, dry fruits sizzle and release their aroma, filling the kitchen with festive warmth. They are set aside, waiting for their grand return. In the same cooker, washed rice is added and lightly sauteed, just enough to wake up its nutty fragrance. A splash of milk follows, the lid closes, and after 4 whistles, time does its magic. Once open, the rice is soft, tender, ready to be gently mashed, almost like it's melting into memories. Now comes the soul of the kheer, the remaining milk, the sugar, and that precious cream from the boiled milk, all coming together. Slowly the kheer thickens, turning glossy and luxurious, just the way it should be. Some sugar goes in. Finally, the roasted dry fruits return, cardamom powder sprinkle its magic, and the kheer breathes out a fragrance that feels like home. This isn't just rice kheer. It's a ball of calm, a reminder that simple ingredients, when cooked with care, always create something timeless.